Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
Ya ayyuhal muddathir.
O you enveloped in your cloak,
Qum fa'anzir.
arise and warn,
وَرَبَّكَ فَكَبِّرْ.
and magnify the glory of your Lord,
وَثِيَابَكَ فَطَهِّرْ.
and purify your robes,
وَالرُّجْزَ فَاهْجُرْ.
and shun uncleanness,
وَلَا تَمْنُن تَسْتَكْثِرْ.
and bestow not favor in order to seek from others a greater return,
وَلِرَبِّكَ فَاصْبِرْ.
and persevere for your Lord's sake.
فَإِذَا نُقِرَ فِي النَّاقُورِ.
When the trumpet shall be sounded,
فَذَلِكَ يَوْمَئِذٍ يَوْمٌ عَسِيرٌ.
that will surely be a hard day.
عَلَى الْكَافِرِينَ غَيْرُ يَسِيرٍ.
Not an easy day for the unbelievers.
ذَرْنِي وَمَنْ خَلَقْتُ وَحِيدًا.
Leave me with him whom I alone have created,
وَجَعَلْتُ لَهُ مَالًا مَمْدُودًا.
whom I have endowed with abundant riches,
وَبَنِينَ شُهُودًا.
and sons ever present with him,
وَمَهَّدتُّ لَهُ تَمْهِيدًا.
and for whom I have smoothed the way to power and riches,
ثُمَّ يَطْمَعُ أَنْ أَزِيدَ.
and who still greedily desires that I should bestow upon him more.
كَلَّا إِنَّهُ كَانَ لِآيَاتِنَا عَنِيدًا.
By no means, he is stubbornly opposed to our signs.
سَأُرْهِقُهُ صَعُودًا.
I shall soon constrain him to a hard ascent.
إِنَّهُ فَكَّرَ وَقَدَّرَ.
He reflected and then hatched a scheme.
فَقُتِلَ كَيْفَ قَدَّرَ.
Ruin seize him. How did he hatch a scheme?
ثُمَّ قُتِلَ كَيْفَ قَدَّرَ.
Again, ruin seize him. How did he hatch a scheme?
ثُمَّ نَظَرَ.
He looked at others,
ثُمَّ عَبَسَ وَبَسَرَ.
then frowned and scowled,
ثُمَّ أَدْبَرَ وَاسْتَكْبَرَ.
then he retreated and waxed proud,
فَقَالَ إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا سِحْرٌ يُؤْثَرُ.
and said, "This Quran is merely a sorcery of yore.
إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا قَوْلُ الْبَشَرِ.
This is nothing but the word of a mere mortal.
سَأُصْلِيهِ سَقَرَ.
Him shall I soon roast in hell.
وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا سَقَرُ.
And what do you know what hell is?
لَا تُبْقِي وَلَا تَذَرُ.
It spares nothing, it leaves nothing intact.
لَوَّاحَةٌ لِلْبَشَرِ.
It scorches even the skin.
عَلَيْهَا 19.
Over it are 19 keepers.
وَمَا جَعَلْنَا أَصْحَابَ النَّارِ إِلَّا مَلَائِكَةً وَمَا جَعَلْنَا عِدَّتَهُمْ إِلَّا فِتْنَةً لِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لِيَسْتَيْقِنَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الكتاب ليستيقن الذين أوتوا الكتاب ويزداد الذين آمنوا إيمانا ولا يرتاب الذين أوتوا الكتاب والمؤمنون وليقول الذين في قلوبهم مرض والكافرون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا كذلك يضل الله من يشاء ويهدي من يشاء وما يعلم جنود ربك إلا هو وما هي إلا ذكرى للبشر.
We have appointed none but angels as the keepers of the fire, and we have not made their number but as a trial for the unbelievers, so that those who have been endowed with the book will be convinced, and the believers' faith will increase. And neither those who have been endowed with the book nor the believers will fall into any doubt. As for those in whose hearts there is a sickness, as well as the unbelievers, they will say, "What did Allah aim at by this strange parable?" Thus does Allah let whomsoever He pleases to go astray, and directs whomsoever He pleases to the right way. And none knows the hosts of your Lord but He. And hell has only been mentioned here that people may take heed.
كلا والقمر
Nay, by the moon,
والليل إذ أدبر
and by the night when it recedes,
والصبح إذا أسفر
and by the day when it dawns with its radiance.
إنها لإحدى الكبر
Surely hell is one of the greatest signs,
نذيرا للبشر
a warning to humankind,
لمن شاء منكم أن يتقدم أو يتأخر
a warning to every one of you, whether he would like to come forward or lag behind.
كل نفس بما كسبت رهينة
Each one is a hostage to one's deeds,
إلا أصحاب اليمين
save the people of the right hand,
في جنات يتساءلون
who shall be in the gardens and shall ask
عن المجرمين
about the guilty ones.
ما سلككم في سقر
What drove you to hell?
قالوا لم نك من المصلين
They will answer, we were not among those who observed prayer,
ولم نك نطعم المسكين
and we did not feed the poor,
وكنا نخوض مع الخائضين
and we indulged in vain talk with those who indulged in vain talk.
وكنا نكذب بيوم الدين
And we gave the lie to the day of judgment,
حتى أتانا اليقين
until the inevitable event overtook us.
فما تنفعهم شفاعة الشافعين
The intercession of the intercessors shall then be of no avail to them.
فما لهم عن التذكرة معرضين
What is the matter with people that they are turning away from this exhortation?
كأنهم حمر مستنفرة
as though they were frightened wild asses,
فرت من قسورة
fleeing from a lion.
بل يريد كل امرئ منهم أن يؤتى صحفا منشرة
No, indeed, each one of them desires that open letters be sent to each of them.
كلا بل لا يخافون الآخرة
No, indeed, the truth is that they have no fear of the hereafter.
كلا إنه تذكرة
Nay, this is an exhortation.
فمن شاء ذكره
So whoever wills may benefit from it.
وما يذكرون إلا أن يشاء الله هو أهل التقوى وأهل المغفرة
But they will not benefit from it unless Allah Himself so wills. He is worthy to be feared, and He is worthy to forgive those that fear Him.